Hello, my Spilling the Sweet Tea fam. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm spilling the tea on how to make these mini quiche. This is going to be a recipe video as well as a product review. I got this mini pie and mini quiche baker from Amazon. If you follow me, you know I love making mini appetizers as well as mini desserts. So I definitely wanted to try this mini pie and mini quiche baker. So let's do a quick unboxing. This is the box that it came in. As I mentioned, I got it from Amazon. The link to order this mini quiche and pie maker is in my Amazon storefront, and I will link it in my description of this video. So the first thing that I noticed once I took it out the box was the size. It was not massive. It was about the size of a typical waffle maker. And as a food content creator, I have a lot of different kitchen appliances. So this is not going to take up too much space in my kitchen. So with the pie maker came this dough cutter. One side is for making the quiche and the other side is for the mini pies. So your dough is the perfect size for your mini pies or for your mini quiche. So this is what it looks like once you open it. I love how non-stick this appliance was. So let's get into the recipe. The first thing I did was grated some cheese using my rotary grater. This is also linked in my Amazon storefront. It grates cheese beautifully. The next thing I'm going to do is brown up a piece of ham and set it aside. I'm using refrigerated pie crust, the Pillsbury brand, but you can use whatever brand you like. All you have to do is take the pie crust out of the package, flour your surface a little bit, and then roll the pie crust out just like this. Once you have your pie crust rolled out, you can use a rolling pin and make it a little bit thinner if you like. Now take the dough cutter that was provided in the packaging and cut out 6 rounds for your quiche with the dough cutter. As I mentioned earlier in the video, the larger side is for your quiche. The smaller side is for your mini pies. Look how perfectly this dough cutter cut this pie dough. Now for your quiche, you want to just crack 2 eggs into a bowl. 1 and then the 2, baby. I season my eggs with a little bit of pepper. I'm using my electric pepper grinder and salt grinder that I also have linked in my Amazon storefront. Add whatever seasonings you like in your eggs. I'm making these for my 7-year-old daughter, so salt and pepper is all I'm going to add for her. Now you want to add your milk into your eggs. For 2 eggs, you're going to need 3/4 cups of milk. This egg mixture was enough for me to make at least 18 mini quiches. To make more, just double the amount of milk and eggs. The next thing I'm going to do is cube up my ham. Because this is a mini quiche, you want to make sure you're cubing the ham in small little cubes. Cubing the ham into small pieces, make sure that you have lots of ham in every bite of your mini quiches. I just cut this ham steak in half. This is a ham steak that I got from the grocery store, and just using half a ham steak was enough to make the 18 mini quiches. Like I said, I made this for my 7-year-old daughter. She typically likes bacon, so I actually was shocked that she liked the ham in these quiches. This is the size that you want to cube up your ham. Once the green light pops on, you are ready to start making your mini quiches. You don't have to spray your mini quiche maker. You can just add your pie crust directly into each mold. I made these mini quiches several times and not one of them stuck. So you do not need cooking spray to make these mini quiches. As a mom who is also a full-time working mom, as well as a food content creator and then business owner on the side, I have to tell you that making these little mini quiches were amazing meal prep for me to make for my 7-year-old daughter. My daughter is extremely picky. You would think because her mom is a food content creator and cooks all the time that she would eat every single thing that I cook, but she is very picky. But she tore these mini ham and cheese quiches up. All you have to do is add your cheese to each pie crust. You can see that they're starting to bubble up. These cook fairly quickly, and I love the fact that the pie crust gets crispy and cooks all the way through. Definitely was not soggy at all. Now all you want to do is add your ham on top of your cheese. Like I said, my daughter is picky, so I did not add any scallions or any chives or anything else. I just added ham and cheese, but you can put whatever ingredients you want. Now all you want to do is top them with that egg mixture that we made. You want to make sure you don't overfill the quiches, so you only need a little bit of the egg mixture. So here's a closer look of me pouring the egg mixture into each pie crust. So y'all, I made these several times and I found it worked best if the cheese was on the bottom and then the ham and then the egg mixture. The other thing that I loved about this product is that it came with its own instruction manual that included recipes. So once you get it, you'll see that there are several recipes that are included in the instruction manual. So there's apple cranberry mini pies, easy biscuits, gluten-free biscuits, as well as mini chicken pot pies, and those mini quiches. After about 15 minutes, this is what your mini ham and cheese quiches look like. They are absolutely gorgeous and so stinking cute. As you can see, I flipped one over to make sure that the pie crust was done on the bottom. And look how beautiful and crispy it is on the bottom. Amazing. I am not a big egg person. My husband and my daughter like eggs. Well, my daughter likes egg white. So I honestly was surprised that she even ate this because she's more of an egg white person, but she tore these up. I put them in a Ziploc bag and I'm going to warm these up in the morning for her before she goes to school. This mini quiche and pie maker is definitely Spilling the Sweet Tea approved. The link to order is in the description. Thank you guys for watching.